Hey guys, welcome to Totally Evelyn, and on another day of exciting Palm Jumeirah. In this week's video I'm going to show you the inside of the apartment that I was showing you a few weeks ago on Azure Residences. This apartment is available right now, and so you have to be fast. Let's show you why. You're right on the beach, you've got a bar right there, got lots of nice tranquil places to sit and enjoy while you just stay here for a decent rental. Looking forward to showing you. Here is the Burj Al Arab right there. There's the apartment. Do you like it? This is a restaurant. Let's hope this week is nice and clean and tidy. There's still tenants inside, but when they leave we will make sure that it's spotlessly cleaned, and we always use professional cleaners, so fingers crossed that the tenants have cleaned up. Let's see. Here I am, arrived at the apartment. Wish me luck. Nice view. We got in. This is the lounge area. Here we have the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen first. Really well equipped, it's nice and big. Maid's room in there. We don't need to go inside because we not got everything cleared, but it was just to give you a quick view of the apartment. Let's go into the living room and then go out onto the balcony, and then we'll go into the bedroom. You can see two balconies. Powder room. And the dining area, nice and spacious. This is huge. So nice. Full view. Bedroom here as well, so you've got two access into the balcony. So you could actually have your dinner out here and enjoy that beautiful sunset and sunrise. That's the bedroom. One at Palm, that's one at Palm there. 5, you've got all the bars across there. You're minutes away from everything. Your train over here, your monorail. Lots of parking, nice private beach, lots of restaurants. It's just a remarkable apartment. I would recommend that if you are looking for something in Palm Jumeirah, that you get in touch with me ASAP. This one should not be missed. Actually, we have another balcony on the other side as well. Let's have a look at that one. Now you can see the 5, even better there. 5 and 1 Palm right there. Shoreline, I was telling you about last week, is here. Right across shoreline, Golden Mile. We've got Marina Residences, you've got the Gallerina, you've got the restaurants, you've got the bars, every single thing and you will need your sunglasses because this is a very bright balcony. Guys, if you like this video and you really are interested in the apartment, send me a quick note here. But as usual, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I'll see you next week on the next video.